I got started coming in as a new person, not knowing a single thing about the electrical field, and I continue to go to school. I've been in 4 years, and it's been amazing.
I was working another career in manufacturing, and I was laid off, and I had a decision of, do I want to go back or do I want to do something different? I really wanted to do something different, and a friend of mine who's in the building trades suggested the electrical trade because he said they were hiring. So I said, okay. So I filled out the application, took the test, and here I am 4 years later.
I found it, and it took me through my applications and interviews. I finally got accepted, and getting into it's just been a whole life changer for me, where I feel more prepared for my future.
I got into the apprenticeship in '98, class 98A8. I turned out in 2003.
The education you receive is unlike most colleges, and there's a lot to learn from it.
We're learning everything from CCTV, security, fiber optics. I love technology, and just seeing all the new technology that comes out, it's mind-blowing. There's so much to offer, working in hospitals all around. It's just amazing.
So my first big job was the MGM temporary casino. So it was a big learning experience, and by the end of the build of the casinos, there was a whole lot learned.
I've been on powerhouses. I've been at auto plants for GM, Chrysler, and I was able to apply all the knowledge I learned from the training center there.
I've worked in power plants, I've worked in oil refineries, in hospitals. So I've been fortunate because I've got to see and experience a lot on the job.
It really takes a lot of knowledge. It takes a lot of hard work and dedication. You really have to be prepared, and mentally and physically.
I think to be a successful electrician, especially being a successful apprentice, is taking the knowledge and the education from the school and applying it, knowing it, learning it, and being confident.
You have to want to be in this trade, and you have to have a desire for it. If you don't have a desire for it, I think it'll be very difficult for you to go through the rigors. It's not an easy trade by a long shot, but it can be very rewarding.
And this apprenticeship is exactly that. It really helped me move myself and become the man that I want to be. And just being prepared and ready for that with school training and all the hands-on they do for me, it really helps me to be successful in this career.